Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing and unboxing Autobot Swerve. Now this is a G1 reissue that is exclusive to Walmart. Here he is in packaging. And here's the back of the package, along with its multilingual tech specs. As you can see, very simple transformation. So in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing him and also comparing it to the latest incarnation of him, or rendition, whatever you want to call it. Then this is from I believe this is from Combiner Wars. I'm not too sure, or it could be prior generations figure, but this is the most recent version of Autobot Swerve. So Autobot Swerve is actually a repaint of Gears, and I think he was in the 1985 catalog of Transformers. Okay, let's open him up. Interesting enough, he has a rub symbol. Let's see if it works. Again, rub symbols on this line itself is really not that great. Let's get a close-up of him. Okay, here he is in robot mode. Sticker application over here, little Autobot sticker here, which seems to be covering probably a screw. Not really a fan of how the rub sign is sideways. So I'm not sure if it's like that in the original. Or as far as articulation go, it's just in his arms. Let's see. Here we go. This arm is tight. Oh, that loosened it up. And I guess if you want to count this, but this is really the transformation. That's pretty much it. To transform him, you basically push his arms in, flip his legs, and that's basically it. That's his vehicle mode. Now let's get him back to robot mode and just compare him with the current version of Swerve. Here he is. Let's see if we can get him in both in the frame. There we go. Now, ironically enough, today these both retail at the same price. And if you think about it, if you have this option available, this is not worth the price at all. This is really for just nostalgic sake. Anyway, so let's see how he compares with his current version. The current version's colors are a little lighter. And of course the current version has way more articulation. I believe it, yep, even has articulation on the head. Can it turn left and right? No, it can't turn left and right, but just that little up and down, which is still way more articulation than this. Alright, let's get them both into vehicle modes and compare the two. It's really interesting comparing original Transformers with what is out there now. While I did grow up with this, I think it's a treat to have what we have now, and it's basically Transformers as we imagine them to be as kids. Let's see, it's been a while since I transformed this guy, so I can't. Let's see if I can actually remember. Oh, there you go. So here they both are in vehicle mode, and the color difference is more apparent now. But they both have the same, I guess, feel being a off-road type of vehicle. This is like a truck with a camper, and here's another a truck with a camper, but a little more cartoony type. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's fun to have, it's fun to play with, brings back some good memories. But if I had to choose one or the other, it would be the new one. Anyway, thanks for watching.